I need to set up a booth at a product exhibition site, and I've heard that Microsoft Project 2010 is particularly good at arranging and scheduling tasks for all size projects. Here is my project with a few tasks to get me started. On the right side is a list of project tasks, and on the left is a view showing bars indicating the length of the tasks in days. At the top are the features you can use with your project. Now welcome to the ribbon. Let's look at this for a second before getting down to the business of creating a new project. The ribbon contains features that are grouped according to types of activities that you're likely to perform when creating and managing a project. Right now the Task tab is displayed, showing the various commands and features that you can do with tasks, such as formatting them and scheduling them and managing them, among other things. We'll talk more about these features in other videos in this training. On the View tab, I can change the way in which I want to look at my project. For example, currently I'm using a Gantt chart view, which displays tasks on one side and a bar representing the duration of the tasks on the other side. It is a default view that opens with each new project. Now, if I wanted to see my tasks in a calendar view, I can click Calendar on the View tab. Let me go back to the Gantt chart view and explain this a bit further by creating a few more tasks. I'll add 2 more and give them a duration of 2 days. And I'll add a tear down task and give that a duration of 3 days. Notice the additional bars on the right to reflect the changes that I just made. Now I'll switch to the calendar view and I'll see how these changes appear on the calendar. You'll learn more about tasks in the next video in this training series. Now let's go back to the Gantt chart view. And I see my task list again with the bars in the right. Once you get used to the ribbon, you'll begin to love it for its speed in finding the right command for the right job and project. Now let's create a new project. I click the File tab, and I can see familiar commands for things I can do with this project, such as opening an existing project, closing this one, printing a project, or sending the project to someone else. But I want to create a new project, so I'll click New. I see a number of ways I can create a new project. I could just start a blank project, or to save a number of steps, I could start with a template to help me start a project from an existing project. Or if I have a project in Microsoft Excel, I could base my project on it. Or if my organization uses SharePoint 2010, and there is a task list already in place, I can import it into project and start that way. But for now, I'll just start a blank project and create tasks for my exhibition. There, here's my new blank project, and I'm off to the races to start adding tasks to my product exhibition site. In the next lesson, you'll learn more about working and managing tasks for a project.